Okay, problem 3.2.25. There's something about this problem that is a little tricky, I think. There's a lot to keep track of. But so you have this shopping club. They have 12,500 members when it charges $7 a month. But then for every dollar they raise that $7, they lose 500 people. And so then the question is to write a formula for revenue, which is the total amount of money taken in. So again, we've got two things going on here. We've got the number of members at 12,500, but every time you raise the price, and X is the price increase. So every time you raise the price, you're actually going to lose 500 people. So for every time X goes up, however many X the price increases, then I lose 500 times X on this is the number of members. The number of members could be figured by that. 12,500 that we have to start with. For every X dollar that goes up, I lose 500 of the members. And then if we take the number of members times the price, that would give us our total revenue. So far we have our number of members, but then what about the revenue? So our revenue, it's $7 a month, but every time they raise X, so if they raised it $2, we'd lose 1,000 people, but we'd also have our total price go up to 9. So if I want my total revenue, the number of members, the 12,500 take away the 500X, and then multiply that by the $7 plus the price increase. And if you had to FOIL this out, which it says simplify your answer, so I do believe that's what they mean by that, is to go ahead and multiply that whole thing out. So in my example, I would have my, let's see, I could do the 500 times the minus X minus 500X squared. And this would be a negative 3,500. And then this would be a positive 12,500X. So when you combine those, I believe that's 9,000X. And then lastly, the 12,500 times the 7, 12,500 times the 7 would give me 87,500. But all based off from the number of members times the price to get our total revenue. Members starting out at 1,200, but losing 500 every time X goes up 1. So if X is $1 increase, I lose 500, $2 increase, I lose 1,000. X is the price increase. The price increase, the amount I'm charging per member, then $7 where it was, and then add on that price increase, and then multiplying those two things to get my total revenue for problem 3.2.25. Computer's seeming a little glitchy.